Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake and ice cream at home. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You'll need basics like flour, sugar, eggs, and milk for both components. Make sure you have baking pans, a mixer, and an ice cream maker ready. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable baking and churning experience. Now, let's bake that delicious cake. Start by combining your dry ingredients in one bowl and your wet ingredients in another. Gently mix them together until just blended, being careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into a greased 9-inch round pan. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool completely. Next, we'll create the creamy ice cream. Whisk together heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract in a bowl. It's crucial to chill this mixture thoroughly for at least 2 hours before moving on. Once chilled, pour it into your ice cream maker and churn for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll see it transform into a wonderfully soft, frozen treat. Finally, it's time to bring your dessert duo together. Ensure your cake has cooled completely before you frost it or prepare to serve. Transfer the freshly churned ice cream into an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 hours to firm up. Then, simply serve a warm slice of cake with a generous scoop of your incredible homemade ice cream. Enjoy your perfect dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.